Hey everybody, got a little more work done on the logging winch. What I gotta do is get the third point welded on, and then I can mount it to the tractor and give it a test run, make sure the winch is working and all that stuff. So let's get her done. Well, it looks like we got it. Had to weld the secondary U-joint. Original U-joint on the winch. Had to weld it solid to make it work, which I kind of thought might have to. I did get the swivel on the front and on the top pulley. Got that on there. Hopefully, I guess we'll find out when we go to pull how that hinge will work. If it stays attached when you get a full pull on it. Put a lot of weld on there, so we'll see. But engage the pt2 here. I'm running about 1600 RPM on the motor. It's working good. Let's see if we're running smooth. It's actually turning. Right now. The looks of it, that's going to be about somewhere in my pile. Oh, there it is. It looks like the drum, and hold still here, is about 3.5 inches in diameter. So let's see who can get the closest line speed. Approximately 4 seconds per rotation, and what is it, 3.5 inches in diameter. Yep, at 430 RPM on the pt2. So now the next step on this is I got to get line on the winch. I got to get all the rest of these welds finished up. I got lots of welding to do on here. Finish it off. Let's see what else. Oh, I'm going to put a screen up above going here in case the cable breaks, doesn't fly back and hit the operator, or should I say me. What else? Oh, I gotta put hooks. I got hooks to hold the chains. I gotta put a chainsaw mount in here somewhere to hold a chainsaw. I got hooks to hold the chains, and the cables, chokers. Oh, let's see, what else? Yeah, all kinds of goodies to add to it now. But I am going to get a cable on there and do a test pull, make sure things are looking pretty good before I do too much extra work to it, but I do believe it's going to work. Alrighty, see you after a bit. Well, I got the cable on it. Worked out pretty good, I think. So I'm gonna finish up this vid, put it up, and then then the next one we'll start putting the add-ons on it. I might run a test pull on this cable, make sure that's going to work right. Well, see you on the next one. Take care, everybody.